Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some rainbow pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and a few feet of string. You're also going to need one of these cuffs. I will link the tutorial for this down below. So once you have this cuff made up, you can come back and I'll show you this technique. What you're going to do is tie your couple feet of string to your existing cuff here. So I just tied it right there, and then you're going to put your needle on, and we're going to go through this purple bead here because we want our string coming out of this side of the bead. We're going to add 3 purple, and now you're going to take your needle and you're going to go back through this bead right here. And you're also going to take it up to the next purple bead across. And then you're going to pull this tight. And to get it real tight, you can hold on to the middle part and then pull it. We're adding 3 again. We're going to go back through this purple and then up through this one. Pull that, you can hold the middle and then pull it tight. And that's what it looks like. Whoops. Now for this one, we're going to go through this purple and then we're going to go down through this one. Same thing, grab the middle and pull it tight. We're going to go through this one. And then we're going to go down through this one too. This is the last 3 purple. We're going to go back through this one, pull it tight, and that's what it looks like so far. Okay, now we're going to go through this outside blue bead, back through this green, and then through the yellow. Our next color is going to be blue, so I'm adding 3 blue. We're going to go back through this yellow and then across this one. We're going to add 3 blue, and then we're going to go through this yellow and through this yellow. We're going to go through this yellow and then down through this one. We're going to add 3, and then we're going to go through this yellow and down through this yellow. I'm going to go across the yellow. And then we're going to go through this orange, down through the pink, and then up through the purple here. So our next color is going to be green, then yellow, orange, and pink. So this whole row is going to be green, and we're just going to repeat these steps until we finish the rainbow. So I'm going to go ahead and finish these colors, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, I have all my colors on, and this is what it looks like. So you're going to end with pink here, and I had this idea, I didn't plan for this, but just got an idea for it, so I want to go ahead and do it. So you have 2 options, or I came up with 2 options, I'm sure there's more, but if you wanted to, you could continue to make, there's enough room to make 2 more of these right here, so on the purple and the yellow, if you wanted this pattern to go all the way around. But I thought it would be cute to add a little centerpiece here. And I have this button, but you could put a perler here, or whatever that you have that's special could go right here. And how I'm going to add it, so I'm going to add 3 pony beads. And then I'm going to take my button and go through the strings here, and then I'm going to add 3 more beads. I think I'm going to put my needle on here, and I'm going to go through this orange. Yeah, through that orange. And I'm going to go down these 3 here, and then up this yellow. Okay, and this is what it looks like so far. Now I'm going to add 3 beads, the same beads I did over here. And I'm going to go through, this button has 4 holes, but if you have 2, you don't have to go back through. I'm going to pull that tight. And then I'll put the same beads I did on the other side right here. And then I'm going to go through this purple here and tie it off. Okay. That's what it looks like. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.